Tech here at BMT offers little taste in everything that you would get in a college class. So we cover entrepreneurship, sports and entertainment marketing, QuickBooks, all things Microsoft.
What I'm currently learning in BMT is spreadsheets for capstone, also learning how to make, operate, and own a business.
We work in our entrepreneurship book and also sports and entertainment marketing, and we're starting to do a bit of college marketing as well.
We have a new certification that's specifically to my program, which is entrepreneurship and small business.
The certifications I have earned are IC3s, computing fundamentals, living online, computer functions, and then after that is Word, PowerPoint, and Excel.
Business Professionals of America just makes me excited.
I competed in the advanced interview skills, and I received second place.
I started my own business. I made the financials and the business plan, and then I had to pitch it to the judges, which would otherwise be the investors. Then I moved on to states. The certifications I've earned in this program have given me college credit.
I have up to 19 college credits available if you complete my 2-year program.
After graduation, I plan to attend a 4-year college and do a double major in marketing and fashion merchandising. My experience in my career tech major has definitely influenced that decision.
My future plans involve going to college, getting my MBA, and then going into the workforce.
Everything in business changes, and I can change with it and offer everything that is most up and coming to my students.
The life skills and also all of the computer skills we will use in our future jobs.